Nuru, an old elephant, stood under the night sky, watching the fireflies dance. He remembered stories from his grandmother about a secret watering hole only seen by the stars. One night, a trail of fireflies appeared, forming a glowing path. Nuru felt a deep pull in his heart and decided to follow them. He walked through the grasslands, past sleeping antelopes and quiet rivers. The fireflies led him to an ancient tree, its roots stretching deep into the earth. Carvings on the tree showed elephants from long ago drinking from a hidden oasis. Nuru pressed his trunk against the tree, and the ground trembled slightly. A narrow path opened, revealing a shimmering reflection under the moonlight. Slowly, he stepped forward and saw a hidden valley filled with clear, sparkling water. The stars above seemed to glow brighter, as if welcoming him to this sacred place. He drank deeply, feeling the cool water refresh his tired bones. As he looked around, he noticed markings left by his ancestors. This place had been lost for generations, waiting for an elephant who remembered. Nuru stayed until dawn, letting the whispers of the past surround him. As the sun rose, the fireflies disappeared, and the valley began to fade. He stepped back onto the savanna, the oasis hidden once again. The water in his belly felt different, like a piece of history carried within him. He returned to his herd, knowing he had been entrusted with a great secret. His granddaughter asked where he had been. "Just remembering," he said with a smile. As the nights passed, he saw the fireflies again, but he didn't follow. The stars had guided him once, and he knew they would call again when the time was right. Until then, he carried the memory of the Starlit journey in his heart. Because some places were not meant to be found, they were meant to be remembered.